Yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. So today I'm going to upload a new video which has not been uploaded before. This is related to Vastu of an office, to see the negative energies as well as the positive vibrations in that particular office. So I just want to tell you guys, before that the identity of the client won't be revealed to you, the location of the place won't be revealed to you. So I just want to tell you guys that if you really want to know about the details, you can check out the details in the description box below, or you can contact me in the description box below. Okay, so I'm going to share the locations, share the location, like the area of the place, and I'm going to tell you some useful insights for you guys which you need to consider in your day-to-day life. How and what direction is very important for a successful office venture, what you should keep, what you should not keep. Okay, so yeah, so let's check it out and let's go to that location. Okay, bye bye guys, see you there. So hello everyone. Okay, I am entering to this office space which is of my client, and yeah, I checked it out. Okay, so let me tell you a few insights. So this whatever is here, it should be removed because a lot of negative energy creates. If you really want to keep it, keep a feng shui sun. Okay, their ventilation is very less as compared to the other ventilation. It is a very closed space for office. Okay, here is the place for storeroom, but which is not needed. This has to be closed. Okay, I feel that this area is not that good, and positive vibrations I'm not getting here. Lot of negative energies are there. Okay, and I just feel that this place, this location, this, if he or she wants to create an office over here, this space would be really good. Okay, because it has a lot of ventilations and sun really helps you out. Okay, this should be closed in the office. Okay, because here is a lot of less ventilation, but at the same time no open space is there. So if sunlight is not coming here, that means that it is very negative. It First of all, the vastu of this has to be in northeast corner. Okay, which is not into the northeast corner, and this is a very packed space which I don't like it should not be like that, packed space. So this one and this one, I didn't liked it. Okay, for being into office, so I have said them to close it out. This space is good for creating a cabin or office space over here. At the same time, this space is good for video shooting and all. That client is a producer, so is a director, so this space is good for directing. But at the same time, it needs a lot of proper ventilation. Here negative energies are a lot which I can see, and here also a lot of changes I have told them to do. Okay, because I feel that negative energies are there. So definitely those two are the worst points. This and this room is better, that one and this one. Okay, so yeah, these are the few insights which I have shared with you. I hope for more insights you will contact me. If you want to know the negative energy and positive energies, you can contact me. Okay, at the same time the details are given in the description box below. Okay, and yeah, one more thing guys, if you want to have a query or if you want to fix a meeting related to vastu, you can contact me. Okay, so bye bye guys. Okay, bye.